JAC Joint Admission Committee. It is for the counseling and admission to undergraduate program in premier Delhi government funded universities offering engineering and architecture program, which was started in the year 2014 as an initiative of the government of National Capital Territory to avoid multiple admission counseling. This year, Delhi Technological University, Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women, Netaji Subhash University of Technology and Indraprasth Institute of Information Technology are participating in JAC counseling, which is being conducted online with the support of the National Informatics Center. Registration या फिर काउंसलिंग की फीस की अगर हम बात करें तो ये रहेगी ₹1500, that is 1500, which will be non-refundable. To be eligible for the JAC Delhi counseling, you generally need to have passed your 12th grade from a recognized board and secured a minimum of 60% marks in your PCM and also passed English as a subject. For B-ARC, you need to follow these two criteria. Mathematics और English as a subject के साथ आपके क्लास 12th में minimum 50% marks होने ही चाहिए. Second, आपको JEE मेन के पेपर 2 या फिर नाटा में अपीयर होना है. अब अगर हम रीजन बेस्ड रिजर्वेशन की बात करें तो यहाँ पर 85% सीट्स आर रिजर्व्ड फॉर द कैंडिडेट्स हु हैव पास्ड क्लास 12th फ्रॉम द दिल्ली स्कूल्स एंड सेकंड 15% सीट्स आर फॉर स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम द अदर स्टेट. अब बात करते हैं डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड हैं एट द टाइम ऑफ फिजिकल रिपोर्टिंग फॉर योर एडमिशन. नंबर 1, रिसिप्ट ऑफ द सीट एक्सेप्टेंस फी पेमेंट. सेकंड, ऑनलाइन क्रिएटेड रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म duly signed by your parent or guardian and also candidate. Print out of the filled choices which should be printed after closing of registration. Next, 3 passport size photograph. Print out of the admit card and scorecard of JEE Main 2025. Mark sheet of qualifying examination, that is your class 12th or equivalent. Print out of seat allotment letter downloaded from the jacdelhi.admissions.nic.in. Next आता है birth certificate as indicated in your high school. Next, reserved category or subcategory certificate, original medical fitness certificate in case of general, SC, CW, OBC, EWS or Kashmiri migrant. For defense, that is CW subcategory, candidates need to submit all the documents or certificates specified corresponding to the priority available to him or her. For more updates, stay tuned.